Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today is the day that I finally start work on the backyard. Starting off in this section here, and I will focus on adding Talavera pots. This area here suffered a lot of sun damage. I will be removing this Cravings ovata and some of these other little succulents that I planted. I used to have a succulent fountain here that I moved, but I will be replacing it with a Talavera bird planter. So I am going to grab a crate to remove some of these plants. This is the Cravings ovata, or also known as the ogre's ear. That one is very badly burned, so I'm taking that out. Some of these that are not planted in the soil. Little mushroom. This is some sedum. I think I have to take some soil out because maybe I don't. I think that looks good. Okay. So I think this looks pretty even. Let me get the other piece. I made this Talavera bird fountain in my first YouTube video. So if you want to see how I made that, you can click on the link above. I am going to move this little guy out of the way for now because I'm going to replace it with something else. There's a cobweb on me, I feel it. Next, I'm going to remove and pot this jade. There's a million ants in here. Whoa, it's very pretty, but it does have some sunburn as well. All right, so let's plant it. I'm going to massage the roots. Kind of let them breathe a little. They seem like they're a little stressed right now. Fresh new soil. I mixed in a little bit of perlite. And I think it'll look very pretty in here, and I have a feeling it's going to do very well in this planter. Once I properly plant it, of course, because I'm kind of struggling here. There. Add a little bit more soil. And I think that looks very pretty. So now I can move it over here in this area. I am done repotting the jade, and I think it looks very beautiful. Now, what I've been waiting for, unwrapping my beautiful Talavera cactus. Can't wait. This was a gift to myself because I just think it's so pretty. And it matches my Talavera fountain. So beautiful. It's like Christmas in July. I think the perfect place for this Talavera cactus is right here next to my crested senecio. I'm all done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Tune in next time to watch me repot this rainbow cactus.